Back. Join your palms, bend your knees, jump, take your legs apart. First, we are doing a Trikonasana for the side stretch. Turn your right foot in, bend your knee, take your left foot out. Now see that your left foot is on the center line, and your right foot, even if it is angled, it's on the center line. Turning your hip, make your left leg straight, inhale. Stretch. And then, now focus completely to stretch here. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now see this. Here you have to open, Kevin. More. That is where you're working. Inhale. And change. See that your right knee is slightly bent. And then center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now you're holding it. Exhale. Inhale. Toes forward. And jump. Back in Tadasana. Okay. Now, if you need bricks, you can take bricks and place them in front of you. Because we're doing some twisting postures now. Now take your left leg back, place it next to the angled line. Place your right foot forward. And that same, right knee slightly bent, because that again is a universal movement. After you turn your hip, you need to move your knee in and then make the leg straight. Lift your chest. Now inhale. Exhale, turn your hip. See this? Inhale. Exhale, lose movement so you get that rotation of the hip. Kevin, more hip. Inhale. See, just watch me once. Now here, the hip is out. So first inhaling, lifting the chest, and then exhaling. That. Try that maximum, because for twisting your hip has to turn. Again. Now when you come in the middle, bend your right knee slightly. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale. No, just hip opening, hip rotation first. Inhale. Exhale. And now join your palms. Inhale. Turn your hip. Exhale. Come down. Keep your arm in front of you and bend your right knee. Turn your back. Inhale, make the leg straight. Exhale. Bend your knee. Inhale. Turn your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. And then come back in the middle. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Stand in Tadasana. Breathe. Stabilize your body. Stabilize your breath. It's a strong class. It means it will make you strong. Now just watch one, so I'll explain it. Here you can see it better now. When you take your leg back and forward, this is how your hip is. From here you need to bend your knee, because if the leg is straight, there is a friction in the knee joint, and then you cannot make the hip straight. So you need that movement. So this first, and then hip, turning the back, and exhaling. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like that. Take your right leg back, take your left leg forward, knee slightly bent, join your palms, and then the whole hip leg has to turn. Inhale, exhale. Good. Now it's much better this time. Inhale, turn more, Corin, more. Your chest should turn on the other side. Inhale. Now then, inhale. Turn your neck completely. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. And then inhale, take your arms up, stretch, turn your hip, come down, and then bend your left knee, turn your back, same, inhale, turn your chest, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and hold. And exhale, join your palms, inhale, come up, and back in Tadasana. And once again, take your left leg back, take your right leg forward, inhale, see that leg is bent now, and then inhale, see the chest, exhale. It's like you're winding and unwinding, winding and unwinding. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale, hold, take your arms up, and exhale, come down, bend your knee, inhale, turn your back more, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and hold. and exhale. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. And stand straight. Stabilize yourself. And take your right leg back. Take your left leg forward. Inhale. Exhale. Let me see. Inhale, turn. More, Kevin, more. Yes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Take your arms up. See, already you're turning here. No? Your chest is there. And then exhale. Bend your left knee. Inhale. Turn your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. And exhale. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Stand straight. Breathe.